Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix Microsoft Store error code 0x87E00198 on your Windows 11 and Windows 10 system. If you are also facing such type of Microsoft Store error code, then here are the fixes, and the first workaround is right click on a start button and choose run. Clear Microsoft Store caches. And to clear Microsoft Store caches, use this command wsreact.exe. This command will clear Microsoft Store caches. Click on OK and it will clear all your Microsoft Store caches. And after that, check whether your Microsoft Store error code on your system resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, close the Microsoft Store window and go to Windows search and type store troubleshoot. Find and fix problems with Microsoft Store apps. Click on open. Here troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems. Click on advanced and make the check against option apply repairs automatically and click on next. Let the window complete the troubleshooting process. It will not only detect the issue, try to fix accordingly. And after that, restart your system and check whether Microsoft Store error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on the start button and choose settings. From the left side, go to apps. From right, click on installed apps. And here look for the option Microsoft Store. Either you may search, otherwise in search field type store and it will found in newly Windows Update system components. Click on system components and here you will find Microsoft Store app. Click on three horizontal dot against Microsoft Store and choose advanced options. Here scroll down and go to the reset section. If this system component is not working right, we can try to repair it. The system components data would not be affected. First choose repair Microsoft Store. Wait for some time, it will take few seconds, and after that, if this system component still is not working right, reset it. The system components data will be deleted, so choose reset. This will permanently delete the system components data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. So reset your Microsoft Store app and after that restart your system and check whether your Microsoft Store error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows settings again, right click on start button, click on settings. Here from the left side, go to accounts. From the right side, go to your info and make sure that your Microsoft account is signed in, duly signed in. Click on your info, and if you find sign in with a local account instead, it means your Microsoft account is signed in. Then open Microsoft Store and sign out from Microsoft Store. Click on your profile icon and choose sign out, and again after some times re-sign in your Microsoft account. Means sign out and sign in your Microsoft Store app with Microsoft account. And after that, restart your system and check whether your Microsoft Store error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on start button and choose run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to launch run dialog box and here type msconfig msconfig and click on OK. It will open system properties windows. Here from the top menu bar, go to services and here make the check against option hide all Microsoft services. And thereafter click on disable all from the bottom right corner. Thereafter go to a startup tab from the top menu bar and open Task Manager. All the startup apps will appear here. Here look for the all enabled startup apps. Manually disable all the startup apps installed in your system. Simply right click on it and choose disable. Apply this method for all the enabled apps in your system under a startup section. And after that, close the windows, press apply and OK to save the changes. The next one more method is install Windows latest update. Right click on start button, choose settings, update your operating system with Windows latest update. Go to Windows update from the left side, and from the right side click on check for updates, and if any update available, if you find it any available update, simply download and install it in your system. Sometimes outdated OS may be cause of various type of error. After that, restart your system. Your Microsoft error code definitely be resolved.